Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create sequential numbers in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel. Next, click on the cell where you want to start your sequential number series. Type 1, or any number from which you want the counting to begin. Now, click on the cell directly below it and type 2, or the next number in the sequence. After that, select both cells containing the numbers. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selected cells. When the cursor changes into a small plus sign, click and hold the left mouse button. Now, drag the cursor downward. As you drag, Excel will automatically continue the number sequence for you. Keep dragging until you reach the row where you want the numbering to stop. Finally, release the mouse button, and you'll see that Excel has filled the cells with sequential numbers. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.